Namaste team. Today we will see return flow of ship from store process. First, we will see some instructions to be followed while doing return process. Return to origin and reverse pickup. To get processed on the same day of receipt. Return ID is required to process with SOM returns. Reverse pickup returns come with a return ID. Return to origin also come with return ID. Store team to count products as per POD documents. Perform check on order ID and AWB number. Sign an acknowledgement copy with remarks for return and handover documents to courier person. And then proceed to process return in SOM application. Now we will see how to do returns in SOM portal practically. When you open SOM portal as per link given in process note, you will see this screen as a home page. You need to click on username text box and type your store code. Now you need to type SOM portal password. Team password will be capital S your store code @RIL. For example, your store code is 8080, then you need to type password as a capital S 8080 @RIL. Now click on return orders. You can search the shipment through AWB number or order ID or RID number. In this example, we will search the shipment through AWB number. After typing AWB number, you need to click on OK button. Team, your return is processed successfully. You will get this message in the top corner. From this message, you can confirm that return accepted in SOM portal. Now again, you need to click on return orders. Click on accepted returns. Now you need to do a quality check. Click on do QC button. Here you need to select a reason from the option of good, bad, ugly and missing. After selecting a reason in quality check code text box, you need to click on process return button. When you click on process return button, you will get this message as return processed successfully and customer to get SMS alert at the same time. Team, in case if the return is not matching with the image on screen or EN number is different, quantity received is short or the product is defective and not in sellable condition, the returns are to be processed under the other three heads depending on observations done during the physical check on the above parameters. Bad returns to be processed under QC bad if the following are observed during the physical inspection of the return item: tag missing, package damaged, refinish tag missing, refinish for pressing, seal opened, wrong product received. Click on the QC code bad and select the appropriate reason, then process return. After selecting a reason code, click on process return button. Now you will get this message as return processed successfully. Returns to be processed under QC code ugly if the following instances are observed during the physical inspection of returned item: fully damaged, non-trends product, wrong product received, and customer abuse. Click on QC code ugly and select the appropriate reason, then process return. When you click on the process return button, you will get a message: return processed successfully. Returns to be processed under QC missing if the following instances had occurred on return: lost, short received, empty box received, free gift missing, component missing. Click on QC code missing and select the appropriate reason. Then process return. After processing the return, you will get this message as return processed successfully. In case of virtual shipment, you need to check shipment ID and click on RTO button. When you click on create RTO button, you will get this message as, are you sure you want to create a return ID for RTO shipment? In that case, you need to click on OK button. After that, RID will be created and displayed as below. Please proceed with below two options, accept return and second, process return. So team, your return process in SOM is completed now. If you find any issue related to ship from store process, you need to escalate it as per escalation matrix only. Thanks for watching. For now, goodbye.